Hi humans, this is Krista of Quartz Queen Yoga. How are you today? I am recording this video to start a really dope yoga series, and it will be called Culture. And what that means is that I will be recording a yoga video for every day in the month of February. So what does that actually mean? That means that I will be giving information about really dope people, mainly women, and one super cool guy. We'll get to that. That has really cool things to do with culture, as I see fit for yoga, because yoga is an integral part of my life and of Western culture right now. So I want to try and integrate how yoga is dealing with Western culture as well as culture for Black people, as well as my life too. And so just kind of have a fun spin on what's going on with yoga, and then also give a background on what yoga is, because yoga has 8 limbs that Pantajali gave information on. So I'll also give you guys some information on what the 8 limbs is. So far, we'll just go through the 2 limbs that I'll mainly be telling you guys about, which is the yamas and the niyamas. So the first 2 is the ones that we'll be going through throughout the course of the Black History Month. Throughout the month of February, I'll be posting videos every day, the whole 28 days, to tie in for Black History Month as well as yoga, to just integrate, to show you what the different niyamas is in the yamas and how they integrate along with Black History Month. So join me on February 1st as we get this going. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure that you continue in health, and make sure you also leave all your insecurities on the mat. See you later. Namaste.